Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So how are you all? I hope all of you are doing great. So since it's Saturday, I was in the mood to clear my vanity, and I thought why not start off with one by one product. So today I'm here with nail paints, and I was decluttering, so I thought why not show you what all nail paints I have and which one I'm keeping and which one I'm discarding. Let's begin. But before that, in case you're not subscribed to my channel, please do hit that bell icon and subscribe to my channel so that you get notified every time I upload a video. So yeah, without any further more delay, let's begin. So guys, I will show you the nail paints on the shade wise. So first I'm starting off with the grayish, black and white nail paints. So here I'm picking up 5 nail paints. So 3 are in the gray shades, and one is black and the other is white color. So these are the 5 nail paints, and I'll apply this on my nails and I'll show it to you. So the first one that you see here, this is the darkest one, and this is such a beautiful color. This is by Trends, and beside that is the gray, and beside that is the ice gray color, which is beautiful. I'm keeping all of them except black, because black color payoff is not that great. Next, picking a few shades of red. Here I'm taking these colors, so I'll again apply this on my nails and I'll show you. Also, I have picked one orange. So you see that such a beautiful shades of red I have. First is this matte, this by Trends. Then this is a bright red color, and beside that there is a glitter red color which suits few occasion. This is a bright orange which is perfect for summer and spring vibes, and this is lastly with blue undertone red. All of these look good. I'm keeping all of these. Next, I'm picking up browns and maroons and also the dark shades of pink. So first one that you see here, this is the brown shade by Zudio. This is such a beautiful color. Next is Maybelline Color Show dark pink nail paint. Though the color payoff is not that great, but I still like the color, hence I've put it. Then next is by Zudio dark pink, and last is this glimmer by Trends. All of these are very beautiful colors. I'm keeping all of them. Next, I have taken few more shades of pink and maroon. So this one that you see here, this is Crackle Me Up nail paint, wherein if I apply it on top of a lighter shade, then it just crackles up and gives a nice pattern. But this lipstick is, as you can see, it has all crumbled up, and pattern also is not looking great, so I'm discarding it. Next, I'm taking these nudes and pastel shades. So this is again by Trends. So you can see here, so these I'm picking. One is by Color Bar. This is a glitter nail paint, and again I'll be showing you one by one. So I'll not apply it much because otherwise the video will be very long. So this is a local purchased nail paint which I do not like since the consistency is bad, so I'm discarding it. This is a beautiful nude colored nail paint. I'm keeping this. And this pastel colored nail paint is such a perfect color for a daily wear or for office wear and college wear. Looks very formal and yet very elegant. So this is how it looks on my nails. I've applied it. And this is by Zoe, and it has almost finished. So I'm going to obviously discard this nail paint. And this is by Trends again in the similar shade that I had shown before. This is such a beautiful shade, and there's a lighter pink, like the princess vibe kind of a pink color, so I'm keeping that. And this is by Color Bar. This is again a glitter nail paint, very finely milled chunks of glitter, so it's very beautiful. So next I'm going to show you nail paints in one of my most favorite shades, that is purple and its shades. So this is by Zudio, and this is in the lilac color. Such a gorgeous shade, and almost similar shade is there in LA 18. So this is what I have. I just love applying these colors. And again, this is by Trends. Beautiful gorgeous shade of purple, and it's, though it's dried a little bit, but I have made it properly again. So what you can do, if your nail paint dries up or if the consistency becomes thick, you can just add little bit of your nail paint remover in it and just give it a good shake, and it's good to go. This is also a beautiful gorgeous shade, and this is a glitter chunky uh, okay, so there's some issue that has happened with the nail paint cover, but then it's again a gorgeous shade. You can just apply it, and it's good for parties. And this shade is again purchased from a local store, but beautiful shade. Next, I'll show you some shades of green, and the first one that I'm showing you is a glitter nail paint. This I purchased from a local store. It's such a gorgeous and a beautiful shade. I absolutely love applying this. Next, this is by Trends again. And look at the color. I mean, it's such a unique color. I have just fallen in love with it. And this is a bright parrot green color, and this I purchased from a local store. Again, I really like this, though the consistency has gone wrong, but I'm willing to make it right because I just love this color. And next that I'm going to show you is a pastel shade, again perfect for office and for college wear, and this color has my heart. Oh my god, I absolutely love this. Let me just apply and show it to you guys. So yeah guys, sometimes do you know why our nails turn yellow after removing a nail paint? That's because we are using a acetone nail paint remover. You should avoid it completely and use the acetone free one. Just look at this nails guys, such a beautiful color. And this pastel color is also such a gorgeous shade. Next I'm going to show you some shades of blue, and here are the nail paints. I just love green and blue nail paints guys. Such gives us such a nice pop of color. So these are the nail paints which I have in blue shades, and the first one that I'm showing you, this is in ink blue color. Again, a beautiful color, and though I'm not really a big fan of this, but yeah, it's okay. And this color has my heart again. So this is a beautiful matte finish blue color. Just love this, such a gorgeous shade. And this is a glitter nail paint again with very finely milled glitter. Just looks beautiful on the nails. And this is again kind of an ink blue color. And lastly, I'm left with some glitter nail paint. So this one that you see, it is from purchase from a local store, and this is by Zudio. Again a beautiful, but the particles are very chunky. And this is by Color Bar, beautiful rose gold color. Absolutely love this, one of my most favorites. And this is again by Color Bar in the similar range but in golden color. That's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this particular video, and this was my overall nail paint collection. So out of 46, I have discarded 4 nail paints. If you like this video, do give it a huge thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to my channel and hit that bell icon. Also share this video with your friends, family, and see you very soon in another video. Till then, bye bye and take care.